กนี่ยังจับมาโบกมาหายสายมาข้างเตี้ยอุปกรณ์วัวนี่ยังจับตัวดองขนมอ่ะบางคน so the positive we connect in positive and the negative to the negative of the first this one the first battery okay คุยตีมวยยังต่อจังก็ทานคุยตีมวยนะตัวยังจับให้vì đang trênสัญญาchắc hayยังทุกการเจริญอยู่หลายล้านโอเค select to the car the car okay this one okay ตัวยังอยู่นางหายจังเวียนเมียนจะนัดปีเลยเจริญอุปกรณ์นี่ยังมีอุปกรณ์ในมือปราณของเทสรู้แล้วบางคนมีสู้จังสำหรับบางคนมีลานไอ้ทอมไอ้ปลาจังนะ we have this kid at your home with the AC when you have the truck have two battery like this okay มาจะสู้บางคนนี้ทำงานในเมียนเทนบัตรพิเศษจะจูนต่อบางคนนี้ที่ตรงการโดกุยลานปูเพลานตรงไหนเนี่ยจังขยมปีจะน้อยที่มวยคือบางงปีเบียบวบางโอนบางปีเบียบวตากุยปีจังดังถามมวยนาโคยเตะจังงานปีเบียบวดอกบางโอนหายดับไปดังถากุยนาโคยเหมือนโคยจังพอจังปีนั้นคือยังดังถากุยมวยนาหล่อโคยจังบางงานปีกาวะดังเวียมวยนาโคยยังดอกไปจังสันหายังโปรทำไมจังนะหาจังในมิติคือធ្វើការបដូរទៅមកយើងការពារកបោយើងឆក់ព្រោះប្រភេទ24វ៉ុលគុយឡានធំមានគុយ2អញ្ចឹងបើយើងអត់ដឹងរបៀបដោះយើងអាចគ្រោះថ្នាក់ធ្វើយើងឆក់បងប្អូនគ្នាយើងដោះអត់ការភាសាកន្លែងឆ្អៀតអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនគ្នា Okay hello everybody welcome to join my YouTube channel today I have a very special topic to share to all of you okay this one the trucks big trucks mostly the battery defected so we show you how to replace the new battery so have two main points first it show how to check the battery so mostly this the kind of the truck have two battery so we don't know which one is defected so we have to use this test kit for test to make sure which one is defected first and the second point is show you how to remove and replace the new one to prevent from electric shocks. We call it 24 volt DC. It can cause you electric shocks. Okay, it's not cause you injury dash, but it cause you damage skin or something like that. So we show you this main 2 point. Okay, but when you meet very useful video, okay, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Also have like share this video to another people who can watch this video too and thank you for support for watching my video I don't want to spend too much time also บางคนsend บางคนชอบวิดีโอมีประโยชน์โอเค complete ช่วย like share ให้ subscribe to channel บอกขยมนะพ่อไว้เชื่อมหลังจัดดำใบตัวบานตัวทำไมเรายังโจทย์เตียนบอดออกจังจะนายไปเรียบางคนช่วยให้บางมีสำเร็จค้านสมชีสายพ้องภาษาในจุดค้างก็เป็นกรรมที่สุดทอยเซ็งๆจังบางคนป่ะ Okay and this stuff so sorry because my neighbor have ceremony pray something pray ceremony okay so we shine so to pick together บางทีตรงร้านวิมีนกุยปีประเภทร้านตรงนั้นเยอะจังมือปี okay 1 2 battery okay so on the trucksจังยังดังทากุยมวยนาวิโคเตจังยังถูกกาวะใบดังกุยมวยนาโคใจจังถูกกาดอกใจจังนะบางคนนี่ Okay so we show you how to test which one is a problem after we show you the second point is how to remove okay จังต่อมาขยมบางหายทางเตี้ยปีกาดอกจังนะไปกาปีเฉาะ okayบ้านบอกทัวร์การว่าถึงมัวยังโบกนี่ยังจับมาโบกมาหายสายมาข้างเตี้ยอุปกรณ์วัวนี่ยังจับตัวดองขนมบางคน so the positive we connect in positive and negative to the negative of the first this one the first battery okay គួយទី1ហ្នឹងទៅអញ្ចឹងគិតថាគួយទី1ណាតើយើងចាប់ហើយវានឹងចេញសញ្ញាអញ្ចឹងហើយយើងធ្វើការជ្រើសរើសយកកន្លែងឡាន okay select to the car the okay this one okay តើយើងយកហ្នឹងហើយចឹងវាមានចំណុច2ដែលជ្រើសរើសឧបករណ៍នេះយើងមានឧបករណ៍នេះមួយប្រើក្នុងផ្ទះស្រួលដែរបងប្អូនងាយស្រួលចឹងសម្រាប់បងប្អូនមានឡានអីធំៗឲ្យប្រើចឹងណា we have this kit at your home with the AC when you have the truck have 2 battery like this okay so this one in the we use in the vehicle meaning the need to start the car so we don't need to any start so we just take the out of service out of vehicle okay vehicle okay ចឹងយក out of vehicle មកបងយកហ្នឹងមកណាយកហ្នឹងមកយើងបាក់បង្ហាញបងប្អូនវាខាងរឿងបាតិចជាងទៀតណាចឹងមកយើងយកអូខេមកយើងជ្រើសរើសផេរកុយចាំតិចខ្ញុំ zoom តិចផេរកុយមានច្រើនទូទៅផេរកុយឡានអញ្ចឹងយើងយកregular fluid ឥឡូវហ្នឹងណា for the car batteries it like this mostly the regular fluids called the battery is kind of the lead acid battery but it free maintenance time is okay so use this one ចឹងយើងយកណាយើង enter មកបងប្អូនតើយើង enter ហើយយើងជ្រើសរើសនេះមាន CCA យក CCA ហើយយើង enter មក select អញ្ចឹងពេតនេះវា CCA វា700យើងមើលនឹងផ្លាកគួយអញ្ចឹងណា with 700 CCA so we return number until 700 the CCA follow the battery CCA okay what's your battery CCA how many so we choose this one with the same ចាំមកគួយយើងមាន CCA ប្រហែលដាក់តែហ្នឹងប៉ុណ្្នឹងដែរមកបងប្អូនបាទអញ្ចឹងយើងចុច enter មកចឹងវា enter ចឹងមកគឺអូខេបងប្អូននេះខ្ញុំនឹងថតកណ្ដាលថាថ្ងៃនេះអញ្ចឹងវាខ្លះធ្វើឲ្យបងប្អូនបានមើលអញ្ចឹងណាអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនឃើញវាចេញgood battery អីចឹងមកណាអញ្ចឹងមានន័យថាវាល្អហើយអត់ខូចទេអញ្ចឹងណានេះមកវាចេញទី1នេះចេញបង្ហាញថា good battery ហ្នឹងខាងលើហ្នឹង ICCA standard វានេះ700អញ្ចឹងណាតែអគុយនេះវាធ្លាក់ CCA ហើយ CCA វានៅសល់តែ500ជាងឯងបងប្អូននេះណា CCA ដែលយើងតេស្តនេះ CCA ដើមមកវា this one the standard CCA okay now this battery CCA have only the 557 ampere only so it CCA already reused and the voltage you can say okay and this resistance also higher okay ចឹង resistance វារៀងឡើងជាងមុនហើយចឹងវា resistance នឹងឡើង CCA នឹងធ្លាក់មានអគុយនឹងអាយុកាលវាចិត្តខូចហើយក៏ថាវាអត់ទាន់ខូចយើងនៅអាចប្រើប្រាស់បានអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនគ្នាតែសំខាន់វាបញ្ជាក់អាពាក្យនេះនៅល្អទេប៉ុន្តែវាល្អ 79% ហើយនេះ 79% បងប្អូននេះឃើញទេចឹងមានន័យថាវាអត់ទាន់ខូចទេចឹងអាចប្រើប្រាស់បាន the batteries is light less but still can use okay it's no problem so 79% okay so meaning the first battery is okay ចឹងអគុយទី1ហ្នឹងអត់ខូចទេបងប្អូនបាទឥឡូវយើងធ្វើការតេស្តទៅអគុយទី2បាទបងអគុយទី2យើងធ្វើការចាប់ទៅចាប់បុកដកធម្មតាដោយតាមមុនដែរទៅអូខេ So the second battery is positive negative follow the color reds and blacks. Okay, so we start to test. We select again ចឹងយើងចុចមកនឹងដែរដូចគ្នាទេបងប្អូនតែនេះវាបង្ហាញអញ្ចឹងមានន័យយើងដាក់ស៊ុបអីចឹងណាបាទអញ្ចឹងវាបង្ហាញមិញវាអត់ស៊ុបពេលយើងចាប់ស្រីទៅកាប់ឲ្យស៊ុបទៅយើងអូខេជួយការតេស្តបាន Please adjust modify the clip contact correctly. Okay, so now you can continue test. So enter regular Bluetooth. Okay, CCA. ចឹងយើងធ្វើដោយតែមុនហ្នឹងហើយយើងតម្លើងវារហូតដល់គួយយើង CCA ប្រហែលយើងដាក់គ្រប់ប៉ុណ្ណឹងមក How many the battery CCA so follows my batteries are 700 CCA. So we press start. So this battery will show the charge retest and state of health. The state of health show only the 26. So meaning this one problem you can say defective. Okay. And they stand to see very high, so the 15.68 milliohms. CCS is use only the 186 ampere only. Okay, the volt is show the 10.35 volt only. Okay, this is standard 700. So meaning this battery is problems cannot use. But this defective have two types. One is very poor, can say very weak battery, so we show bad battery. But this battery still is not so bad, so we need to charge. Can use temporary like that. But other battery. The test shows it show the bad battery like that, meaning cannot charge. But this, if we charge still temporary use. Okay. ចឹងវាចេញអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនវាអាចកុយនេះវាខ្សោយខូចដែរវាខូចមិនទាន់ខ្លាំងអញ្ចឹងបើសិនវាខូចខ្លាំងវាចេញអក្សរ bad battery អញ្ចឹងឬក៏ភាគរយសូន្យនៃបណ្ដានេះនៅ 20% ជាងវានៅមិនទាន់ខូចខ្លាំងទេវានៅខូចតុងហ្មងបងប្អូនគ្នាបាទហើយយើងផ្ដោតសំខាន់ដល់នឹងហើយមើលរេស្តង់វាឡើងផងដែរអានេះបោះដើមវា700ហើយយើងតេស្តមកបានតែ180ជាងឯងអូខេហើយវ៉លនេះឃើញធ្លាក់អញ្ចឹងក៏វាខូចហើយអញ្ចឹងយើងបដូរចេញហ្មងទៅបើវាសៅមកអញ្ចឹងមកនេះបាទ so we can replace the one. My idea is better. Okay, now the testing it show this battery is the problem. Okay, ហើយយើងឃើញបងប្អូនអគុយនេះវាខូចចឹងយើងបដូរឡើងចេញចឹងយើងទី2យើងនិយាយពីការពារឆក់ចឹងនៅសារកន្លែងទីតាំងឡានធំទៅមានកាងមានអីស្អៀតណាបងប្អូនចឹងណាចឹងយើងបាក់ដោះមាន2ជំរើសដើម្បីការពារឆក់ទី1បងប្អូនដោះចាំតិចបងប្អូនបាទបងប្អូនយើងធ្វើការដោះជំរើសទី1យើងអគុយមានចឹងយើងដោះខ្សែខាងដកនេះមុនណាបើយើងដោះបងប្អូនដោះមេវាមុនមេពុកតានេះមេមុន so remove the main negative first. Okay, main negative to the body first ដល់នឹងមុនមកហើយបន្ទាប់មកយើងកន្លែងលីងឆ្លងនេះងាយដកកន្លែងបោកនេះមុនមកហើយចាំយើងដកអានេះចេញមកហើយយើងដកកណ្ដោះតាមក្រៅអញ្ចឹងណាដើម្បីការពារឆក់ក៏យើងដកអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនកុំដកអានោះមុនណាដក bột nó bị chết thì bột nó muốn thôi chợ bột sập mà phải buồn vào đó thôi chợ chẳng so remove the negative first the main negative to the body car after that remove this positive link negative and after that remove the positive this letter cannot remove this one first it 24 volt you get shocks okay so remove its letter it's one idea and another idea you can remove this link first okay the positive this link this one first after this one to separate two battery it can become 12 volt come 12 volts so after that you remove this one negative and remove the positive letter okay chẳng là khăn đi pí với ngay đó hà đó bột này môn bằng bột lại link ní mùi hái anh đi mùi tiền bay bằng bay coi nữa tranh đập pi vào xây cái này còn màu giờ người chọn hái dân đó nơi là chọn tua lan môn hai dân đó bột này tam cào này nâng cào kê pe dân đó nâng pe dân đó ok chẳng thì đó cứ phần năng của mọi người hay pe dân đó coi thay mấy chúng ta coi vi lan và phe là coi pi chẳng á dân bắt đầu dân ai bắt đầu từng pi bằng vòng mà dân bắt đầu thay mùi trà muối với ai tiền kia nghề khổ chẳng á chẳng ai bắt đầu từng pi hay lẽ khăn từng pi lẽ khăn tìm mùi tiết chẳng ai bắt đầu vô khôi với mùi máu hay dùng miền làm xây mùi tiết chẳng tới đó làm xây mùi tiết chân những đô coi để pra vì làm xây toàn khôi nó vô đặt cho nồi máu vì trả được cái máu của việc người khôi đà chẳng hạn tại bây giờ ngọn miền lan trả sự cua tế dương đô chào mà từng pi món về khát lôi đai bằng còn cái này chân chỉ chấm rơ muối tại dương ai đồ mà đòn mùi tơ mà dạo chấm rơ tay miền chấm rơ dương vô coi trả pi lan tham ấy đại việt toàn khôi chừng vô mà đã trộn ấy ai về trả được kia màu chẳng nè before the two battery like this so you replace replace all okay one choice replace all after replace all so we buy new one it you can use for a long time long lives okay and another choice if you do like this, you waste money, so we replace only one defective and buying the new one, give to the other car use only one battery and the old car one battery, bring to this place, okay? You can save money. Okay, and another thing, the battery used to like this should the wallet same and the CCA the same, okay? It's not different. You can say like the ampere, the rating ampere, CCA rating and the voltage is should the same, okay? Chẳng bây giờ bắt đầu coi đã pi cho mỗi kia chẳng bằng bốn tìm muối coi nó còn đặt ampere về smart này hai top máu tổng trong về đôi khi hai cho nên mới tiết cứ CCA viết của đôi khi đài mà dừng đã vào chỗ một khi bàn chẳng bỏ bây giờ đãเข้าvới ảnhปัญหาchẳng hạn cao đây một vài rồi như này coi khi mà tầm tình thay mày okay this one the new battery okay so I have this one car so we take this new one to install here, okay, to use here. So this one is not defective, but I have to remove this battery from this car to the other car, the defective one, to replace with the defective one, the truck's battery, okay. Chúng mà bọn khi mà mình là coi thay trong tên mắt trong mình chốt đạn là này bằng ហើយចឹងអាគុយដែលឡានយើងដាក់ប្រាហើយនេះខ្ញុំនឹងយកទៅដាក់ខ្ញុំយកមកដាក់ជាមួយនឹងអាគុយឡានដឹកទំនិញដែលវាខូចយកយើងប្រាហើយទៅដាក់ជាមួយនោះមកហើយអាថ្មីយើងទិញមកយើងយកមកដាក់អានេះមកដើម្បីកុំឲ្យវាងាយខូចចឹងបងប្អូនបាទតែបើយើងអត់មានឡានទេថ្មីយើងដូរមួយតាមហ្នឹងទៅហើយបើយើងដូរម្ដងទាំងពីរដូចនិយាយចឹងវាខាតលុយដែរតែបើយើងមានឡាននេះគឺការផ្លាស់ប្ដូរយកអាប្រាហើយដាក់ជាមួយប្រាហើយអាថ្មីដែលទិញមកយកមកដាក់ចូលនេះទៅបាទមានលក្ខណៈចឹងចឹងបាទអូខេបងប្អូនខ្ញុំធ្វើការដោះនេះមុនណាបងប្អូននេះ remove this one okay so next we'll remove this clamp okay ចឹងធ្វើការដោះនេះបន្ថែមទៀតបងប្អូនយើងធ្វើការដកពីឡាននោះមកហើយមកដាក់នឹងហើយដាក់ឡាននឹងហើយបងប្អូននេះមានថ្មីឯងគាត់ថាវានៅល្អ we just want to move from other car to keep here install here okay so not you but can use okay so install this so the first we can connect the positive here okay positive here is no problem ចឹងយើងអាចភ្ជាប់ខាងបោកនឹងមុនណាបងប្អូនបោកនឹងមុនមកបោកហាអានេះយើងអត់ទាន់ភ្ជាប់ចឹងចាប់បោកនឹងមុនអត់អីទេសារវាអត់ទាន់ភ្ជាប់នេះចឹងណា so we can connect the positive first and this one later okay ចឹងខ្ញុំធ្វើការចាប់ហើយក៏ក្នុងនោះ already connect អូខេសាខ្ញុំពិបាកថតវាខ្លះយើងថតម្នាក់ឯងចឹងបងប្អូនចឹងវាពិបាក sometimes very hard to show you because I only one do and record it all but when you connect please check this one is positive okay cannot should mask correct position cannot wrong the position of the battery okay ចឹងពេលយើងទៅឡើងយើងដាក់អាខាងនោះបោកត្រឹមត្រូវទៅហើយខាងនេះក៏ដកហើយចូលបោះតួឡានចឹងយើងដាក់ខុសទេវាធ្វើឲ្យបញ្ហាចឹងណាចឹងអានោះបោកខាងនេះវាដកហើយចឹងអានោះដកនេះគឺបោកហើយចឹងយើងចាប់នេះតាមក្រៅមកចឹងណាចឹងខាងនោះដកនេះបោកចឹងយើងអាចដាក់អានេះបានបងប្អូននេះចឹងយើងដាក់ខាងដកនេះមុនមកដល់ពេលយើងនេះយើងដាក់ដកមុនមកខាងនោះបោកខាងនេះដក swan negative so we connect in negative first okay ចឹងយើងដាក់នឹងហើយយើងមកខាងនេះទៀតបងប្អូននេះខាងនេះអូខេចឹងហើយយើងធ្វើការរឹតវាទៅបងប្អូនយើងធ្វើការរឹតទៅចឹងធ្វើចាប់លីងនឹងរឹតលីងនៅតឹងណាបងប្អូន Okay, so we try to tie the links, okay. ចឹងបងវីដេអូហ្នឹងមានតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងទេចង់ចំណាយពេលវេលាបងប្អូនយូរចឹងបងប្អូន Okay, video only this don't want to spend you my time, okay. So if seeing my video very useful, okay, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Also follow my Facebook page. Also have like share the video to another people can watch the video too. Okay. បងប្អូនវីដេអូមានប៉ុណ្ណឹងហើយអត់ចង់ចំណាយពេលវេលាបងប្អូនយូរហើយបងប្អូនបញ្ចិត្តកុំភ្លេចជួយ subscribe ទៅ channel របស់ខ្ញុំនៅផងបើជឿមកចិត្តមើលទៅបានវាថ្មីថែមទៀតហើយជួយ share វីដេអូនេះទៅដល់បងប្អូនផ្សេងទៀតក៏អាចបានជួយចំណេះដឹងពីវីដេអូនេះដែរមានចម្ងល់ហើយខ្ញុំក្រាមបាននេះ problem ខាន comment below អូខេ see you next video បងប្អូនជួបគ្នាវីដេអូក្រោយបាទអរគុណ